Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a hollow head in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. Now the first thing that we're gonna need to do is duplicate our layer and then hide our background. Now select our object. I'm using the quick selection tool. And after that, what we're going to do next is to select this mask right here. Now it will remove our background. Now select this one. And then choose the gradient. Now select that. And choose the black and white. Now change that to radial and change our scale. It's for about 250 and then check this reverse. Now click OK. Now drag that under our second layer and will be our background. Now add your object that has a halo effect. This will be the one I'm using. Now select your object using quick selection tool and then select this mask. Now go to your object and press Ctrl T and adjust it to the way you want. You can also rotate it and you can change its opacity. Now select this mask layer right here and then go to our brush tool and make sure that the foreground is black. Now brush the unnecessary parts of our object. Now turn back the opacity of our object, and as you can see, the color is different from our object skin. So what you're going to do is go to hue and saturation and adjust that color, depends on what you like. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.